Hello everyone, it's a joy to see you all back here on our channel. We've prepared lots of new and possibly unfamiliar ideas for you. Today, we're talking about kitchenettes, these perfect little homes for singles and students. Want to know more? All this and much more is coming right after our intro. So, let's get started.
PRO-EXE, your go-to channel for building tips.
Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell. Your support is crucial for us to continue bringing you content packed with useful information, exciting news, and definitely lots of interesting stuff. We count on you to help our channel grow and always offer the best. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's talk about the linguistic diversity around the word kitchenette in Portuguese. It's fascinating to see how many variations have emerged for this word. I've come across forms like kitnet and kit, and I wonder what other linguistic innovations will appear in the coming years. It's important to know that kitchenette has its roots in English and French, which justifies its original spelling. The term kitchen means kitchen in English, and ete is a suffix that denotes something small. Thus, kitchenette literally translates as small kitchen, perfectly reflecting the essence of these compact and multifunctional spaces. Kitchenettes are true pearls of modern urban design. Imagine a compact space where every inch is thoughtfully designed to combine functionality and comfort. In a kitchenette, the kitchen is not just a place to prepare meals, but the heart of a small home, harmoniously integrated into the living space. These studios are perfect for those seeking practicality and style in a limited area. Generally, a kitchenette is a single environment that combines living room, bedroom, and kitchen, optimizing space without sacrificing elegance. They are ideal for singles, students, or anyone who values simplicity and efficiency in organizing their space. Moreover, kitchenettes are fantastic for exploring creativity in interior design. With smart storage solutions and multifunctional furniture, each kitchenette can transform into a personalized and welcoming haven. They prove that living in small spaces can be a rich experience, full of style and personality. When talking about designing kitchenettes, it's essential to consider local legislation, that is, the master plan of your city or municipality. For example, where I work, the law requires that a single room be at least 12 square meters. Therefore, when defining areas in our projects, we usually call the part with the bedroom and the area with the sink countertop kitchen, even though kitchenettes as such are not officially recognized in the master plan. In the most compact projects, I usually plan units between 20 and 25 square meters, divided between 3 for the bathroom, 10 for the bedroom, and 7 for the kitchen and dining area. Additionally, depending on the needs and possibilities of the space, I try to create visually separated areas without the need for walls. According to the original definition, kitchenettes do not have internal divisions or rooms. In the following examples, I will show some creative options for organizing and dividing these open spaces. Let's see together how you can maximize each square meter without losing the functionality and charm of these small spaces. There's a big difference between designing an isolated kitchenette, like a chalet on a plot of land, and developing one within a complex of several units in an urban building. When part of a complex, it's crucial to group wet areas, like kitchens and bathrooms, near the entrances to ensure efficient access, possibly by a single flight of stairs. Reaching the ideal solution is not a miracle, but a matter of careful planning. After all, no one wants to enter their space and immediately face a bed. I usually follow a specific order. Upon entering, you first encounter the dining area, followed by the bathroom, and only then do you reach the bedroom. This arrangement not only defines the visual divisions of the space, but also uses elements like the corners of the building, the kitchen countertops, or even a stand of various utensils to create a natural separation between the areas. When designing a space, remember that it's always possible to create functional areas for daily activities. For example, leave enough space in front of the closet to change clothes comfortably. In the bathroom, don't skimp on space. It's essential to have enough area to dry off after a shower, as well as easy movement between the sink and toilet. In the kitchen, it's important to have space to prepare simple meals. Plan areas to accommodate appliances like a microwave, air fryer, and blender. Sometimes, a well-thought-out snack counter is sufficient, eliminating the need for a dining table. In general, make the most of the walls for storage, installing shelves and cabinets. And here's a crucial tip: install large windows. They are fundamental to ensure your kitchenette doesn't feel claustrophobic, but rather a pleasant and beloved place by the residents, even though it's a compact space. Okay, folks, I think we've covered quite a bit about kitchenettes today, and I sincerely hope I've managed to inspire you with some interesting ideas. The creation of compact spaces is becoming increasingly essential in a constantly growing society. Today, it's not as common to stay in one's parents' house until later in life. Young people and teenagers are seeking independence earlier, eager to experience the freedom and adventures that life outside the home offers before their 20s. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. We really need your support and are very grateful for it. In our next video, we will explore the world of tiny houses, another fascinating type of compact housing that can even be mobile. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.